morning. It's a Sunday, and surprisingly, I'm off today. It's been a while since I'm off on like Sunday. What's up, everyone? A lot of my friends say that my intros are quite boring, so there goes the energy, man. Anyway, in today's video, I'll be going on a pub crawl. So I'm already like kind of late to the party. So the pub crawl is supposed to start at around 1 p.m. Now it's 4. Yeah, I got a lot of things going on this afternoon, and yeah, kind of late, but I'm already here. So here we go. Hello, boss. Hey.
Oh shit. I mean, I think that's how they budget
Hi,
it
boss.
also. You go to one bar, you drink one beer.
I book people for prime meal, they don't want. I tell you book any bar.
Because you still got spillage or
3,500, 3.5 pounds, 3.5 pounds. Very fine.
but that's
Very full, man.
You're very full, yeah?
Yeah, so I had 1 chicken rice, 1 Hokkien mee, and 3 beers in.
Yeah, it's a third location for him, but my first location. Beef. Where are we off to now, bro? Where are we going now?
Gibson.
Gibson Bar. Alright, let's go.
Gibson for you.
But this is not my account. The person in charge should be here.
Once you see the stripped down version of I think clean on
Oh, yeah. But it's fun.
Okay lah, not busy, just waiting for him. No, so we wanted him to serve you guys.
Thanks, bro.
It's a brandy base. It's a brandy base. Fry. Chicken rice. Oh, no more already. No more already. Sure. Yeah, sure.
Cheers.
Have a good week next week, huh? Chong.
I miss you.
Can, bro. Toilet nice, ah. The drinks not nice, ah. Good, man. Third bar. Not bad. Wow, this one. Whoa, couples. Hey, Danny, so fast, ah. Hey, so fast, ah. Hey, no credit card. Alright,
You need to.
bar number 4, and we are drinking on the side of the road.
Yeah.
Hey.
The soil
Hey.
Dry is still. The pot is
Cheers,
something
cheers.
with it. The pot is a ceramic clay pot. So they use it to do that.
Alright, guys. Final stop. American Tap Room. A lot of people, yeah?
Hilang here also.
very sour. No.
Today in the
It's very
vlog we
sour.
have
But
Bane
it's
from
very
Batman.
Really tastes like my time.
This one's crazy, man.
Other side.
Much better. Body is there. Medium body. Three seconds. I give up so much. And that's why it's expensive. Yeah. And a lot of and there are like you have fun, drink, all sorts of fun. But at the end, right,
Be easy, be easy. Eat some more.
I care about her as a person. Until now. That's life. Please try.
Personality, his personal relations with people, even with customers, although a bit on the soft approach.
We are still drinking.
But the impact, the deep impact.
We have about 10 minutes.
It's very good. Transition.
Transition. Key man here. Swap. Flip.
Woohoo!
We're getting some shots on the
Suburban.
Oh. Oh, that's a lot eh. Is that normal? That's a normal shot. Lesser please, lesser. I press already, I press already.
red button, red button.
I press already.
Okay, cheers.
Okay. Cheers.
Happy Sunday. Good luck for next week. No, it's tea. It's Earl Grey.
Someone's wearing her mask upside down.
Your life to survive like.
Hey, Danny. Hi. Oh, you switched your mask. Bloody hell.
Fuck you! You thought I'm gonna act the fool? You thought I'm gonna act the fool? Fuck you! Fuck you! Fuck you!
You were wearing it upside down. Yeah.
I'm not gonna be caught acting like a fool. I slipped.
You slip, yeah. So, I think it was a pretty good day, and yeah, we went to a total of 5 bars. I think for them 7 bars, but it was a pretty good day. Yeah, and yeah, I'll share more detail with you guys. At the moment, I think I'm a little bit like, high, tipsy, whatever you want to call it. So, not the best time to be vlogging. But yeah, I'll share more detail with you guys some other day. But yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog here. Bye guys.